Field 20 again. The one spoon testosterone secret. Feeling a bit off lately? Always tired? Libido not what it used to be? And noticing a bit of a dad bod creeping in? If you're over 30, these could be signs that your testosterone levels are on the decline. But don't worry, I've got something amazing to share with you today. Stick around and I'll show you a simple, natural recipe that can help you boost your testosterone and get back to feeling like you're in your 20s again. First, let's talk about why testosterone is so important. It's the hormone that keeps us strong, energetic, and, let's be honest, it's what makes us feel like men. It's responsible for muscle mass, bone density, sex drive, sperm production, and overall energy levels. Sadly, after turning 30, testosterone levels decrease by roughly 1% each year. But the good news is you can fight back with some simple diet and lifestyle changes. So what's the secret? It's all about a powerful homemade elixir that uses natural ingredients to help boost your testosterone levels. And the best part? You probably already have some of these ingredients in your kitchen. Ingredient number 1. Fenugreek seeds. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. These little guys are amazing. Studies have shown that fenugreek can significantly increase testosterone levels, muscle mass, and strength. Fenugreek works by blocking the enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen, effectively increasing the amount of free testosterone in your body. Plus, it's packed with compounds called saponins, which stimulate the production of luteinizing hormone. This hormone tells your testes to produce more testosterone. So to start, toss a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds into a food processor or blender. Simple, right? Ingredient number 2. Ashwagandha powder. Next, we add a tablespoon of ashwagandha powder. This is an adaptogenic herb known for its stress-reducing and testosterone-boosting properties. Research featured in the American Journal of Men's Health revealed that ashwagandha has the potential to boost testosterone levels by as much as 17%. This benefit is realized by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone that can interfere with testosterone levels. By lowering cortisol levels, your body can produce more testosterone naturally. Pulse the fenugreek seeds and ashwagandha powder together until you get a fine, crumbly texture. Ingredient number 3. L-arginine. Our next powerhouse ingredient is L-arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide levels, improving blood flow and erectile function. A study published in the Journal of Sex and Marital Therapy found that L-arginine can significantly improve erectile function. It also supports healthy testosterone levels and enhances physical performance by improving circulation. Add a tablespoon of L-arginine powder to the mix and blend well. Ingredient number 4. Maca root powder. Next up is maca root powder. This Peruvian superfood is known for enhancing energy, mood, and sexual function. Maca supports the regulation of the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, which play key roles in hormone production, including testosterone. Its adaptogenic properties help your body adapt to stress, promoting overall hormonal balance. Add a teaspoon of gelatinized maca powder to the mixture. Ingredient number 5. Raw cacao powder. Finally, we sweeten the deal with a spoonful of raw cacao powder. Cacao is rich in magnesium, which is crucial for testosterone production. Higher magnesium intake has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Cacao also contains flavonoids, antioxidants that improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Add a tablespoon of raw cacao powder to the mixture and blend everything until smooth and evenly combined. Transfer your mixture to a bowl, ensuring consistency in each dose. Congrats! You just made a powerful homemade testosterone-boosting tonic. To use, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of this mixture to your yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or any other food of your choice. Incorporate this tonic into your daily meals, and you'll start to see a difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. To get the best results, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night, as sleep deprivation can drastically lower testosterone levels. Exercise regularly, focusing on strength training and high-intensity interval training. Avoid chronic cardio, which can lower testosterone. Regular exercise stimulates testosterone production and improves overall fitness. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.